Toyota Prius embraces future-forward innovation. Designed around the driver, this intelligent hybrid is packed with cutting-edge technologies. For 2025, Prius offers an eye-catching nightshade grade, a stylish new addition that brings fresh exterior colors and plenty of sporty attitude. Together with its impressive efficiency, exciting drive, and head-turning profile, Prius makes a bold statement without ever needing to plug in. Prius's lineup commands attention on the road with its 4 well-equipped grades. In addition to the core LE, XLE, and Limited grades, the new Nightshade grade enhances this modern aesthetic with its incredible style. Available in 3 exterior colors, including the vibrant new Karashi, Prius Nightshade gets the striking blackout treatment with details like black exterior badges, black door sills and front door handles, black bumper trim and shark fin antenna, black fabric-trimmed seats with gray stitching, and 19-inch black alloy wheels. That's just the start. Take a closer look at its exterior, and you'll find that this hybrid electrified vehicle just can't be ignored. Maximum appeal. That's what Prius's sleek silhouette is all about. With its aggressive hammerhead-inspired face, standard LED headlights, and eye-catching LED taillights, its stunning appearance demands attention. XLE, Nightshade, and Limited grades elevate Prius's design with 19-inch wheels, giving this state-of-the-art sedan a sportier presence that hints at its spirited performance. Meanwhile, the available fixed-glass roof creates a sense of openness inside the vehicle. This modern aesthetic continues in the interior, where the clean layout enhances Prius's future-forward feel. Comfortable and sophisticated, Prius's clean interior is innovative yet inviting. Step inside using the available smart key system and experience features like the available 8-way power driver's seat and the available heated and ventilated front seats, as well as the available heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Additionally, the available heated outboard rear seats provide warmth when the temperatures drop. The available Qi-compatible wireless charger keeps mobile devices powered, while the available digital key compatibility, which requires an active Remote Connect trial or subscription, turns your smartphone into your key, making it easier to access the vehicle. Plus, the 7-inch top-mount digital gauge cluster is designed to put important information right in front of the driver. All of this comfort and convenience comes paired with performance that's both efficient and engaging. Prius's exhilarating drive electrifies without needing to plug in. Featuring the 5th-generation Toyota hybrid system with up to 196 net combined horsepower, Prius can hit 60 miles per hour in as little as 7 seconds. On top of that, the available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and handling in varying conditions. Prius also boasts impressive efficiency. With up to an EPA estimated 57 miles per gallon combined, drivers can go the distance. Thanks to its advanced technologies, Prius's intelligence goes beyond the drive, allowing you to feel its innovative spirit behind the wheel. When it comes to cutting-edge connectivity, Prius delivers thanks to the intuitive Toyota Audio Multimedia platform. Featuring an 8-inch or an available 12.3-inch touchscreen, it includes standard wireless compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to the apps on their iPhone, including Maps, Messages, Podcasts, and music subscriptions. In addition, wireless Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices and access various apps and services from Google, including YouTube Music and Google Maps. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in cabin and even more on the SiriusXM app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. All grades are compatible with trials to Toyota's line of connected services, including Safety Connect, Service Connect, Remote Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, and Drive Connect. For an immersive listening experience, the available 8-speaker JBL Premium audio system pumps out tunes in stunning clarity. Prius's future-forward technology goes beyond staying connected. Prius offers an impressive suite of active safety and driver assistance features. Every grade comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. Additionally, the standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert and safe exit alert are designed to bring added peace of mind behind the wheel, while the available front and rear parking assist with automatic braking and panoramic view monitor are designed to assist drivers when maneuvering in tight spaces. Finally, the available advanced park system makes parallel parking as easy as pushing a button, enhancing Prius's futuristic feel even further. The 2025 Prius is an innovatively versatile electrified sedan. From its progressive design to its efficient yet sporty performance, this icon backs up its curb appeal with genuine substance. Together with advanced technologies that let you experience clever innovation behind the wheel, Prius sets the standard for hybrid vehicles. And every Prius includes Toyota Care, which provides 2 years or 25,000 miles of scheduled maintenance, whichever comes first, and 3-year unlimited mileage of 24-hour roadside assistance. Plus, Prius includes a hybrid system warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first, and a 10-year or 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty, whichever comes first, making it a strong choice for long-term ownership. With all of these factors considered, it's easy to see why Prius is at the forefront of redefining electrified performance. And it does so with effortless style. Want to learn more? Check out